No, I'm getting paid.
All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Domino 7 show. Oh, look what's going on.
We got a break tonight.
All right.
Voting for me, exactly right. And when you vote for me,
All right, we going home. Come on.
voting much more fun.
You want to stay?
Actual movies playing.
No? All right, we going home. All right, we had fun. She was being bad and stuff, and I'm just joking, you know. All right, you had fun? All right, so now we going home. Okay. Let me see. I don't think so. You want you?
They come in from this way.
Oh, all right. We might as well since you say so. All right. So. All right. So this is gonna be the last episode of. I'll see y'all at the studio, I guess. Okay. So we're going home, yeah. So you have school tomorrow, so we had lots of fun at Comic-Con, huh?
Yeah, they got this thing.
Oh. Yeah, she was kicking and screaming. Then you want to go home. Ain't that a shame? That's a shame.
Don't tell my daddy.
No, I ain't telling your dad. Okay. So I ain't telling your daddy anything.
I need to use it.
Oh, you gotta use it. Oh, now you want to use it. Oh, excuse me. She wanna. Well, anyway, we'll be right back in the studio.